Let's take a look at how to install Google Drive on my local computer so that I can synchronize local files on my computer with my Google account. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to go inside of your Google Drive account and move to My Drive. So if I click on Drive, I'm currently looking at My Drive, and down here on the menu on the left you'll see a little area that says Connect Drive to your desktop, and if you click on that, you can see that you're going to go ahead and download a program to your PC. I'm going to go ahead and click on Download Drive for PC, and then I see Google Drive Sync shows up here. It's a program I downloaded. I'll go ahead and click on it, and it starts the install. I'll say yes to approve the install, and it's gone ahead and has begun the process for completing the installation. I'm going to go ahead and sign in so that I can verify that I am the user that's going to set up the synchronization. I receive a screen here that is asking me how I'd like to go ahead and adjust the settings on my local Google Drive. And I'm going to go ahead and just take the standard default settings, which is going to synchronize the My Drive account. You could go ahead and set this up so that it could just synchronize a given folder on your Google Drive, but I'm going to have it do it just on the whole drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and say next. Not going to go into advanced setup to set up a single folder. I'm going to do the whole drive, so I'll just say Start Sync. And it creates a local folder on my computer that I can use to synchronize files for the Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and just close this folder, and I'm going to go ahead and minimize my browser window, and I'll go ahead and close the thank you window. And you can see now that I have several icons on my desktop for my different Google documents. I've got my sheets, my slides for presentations, and my Google Docs, and there's also, it looks like, a shortcut here to a folder. Now this is the link to the folder on the local drive, and if I click on it, it opens up the folder on the local drive. Now any files that I go ahead and drag and drop into this folder will be synchronized onto my Google account so that I can easily create files on my desktop, drag them into this folder. They'll automatically be put on the internet, and then also anytime I'm at any other location, I'll have those files available for me to synchronize and move back and forth between my Google Drive account and my local computer. And that's all you need to do to set this thing up. The Google Drive syncing program is set up by default to run automatically whenever you start your computer, and you can always see that it's running by looking for the icon down in your taskbar, and that tells you that you're currently ready to go ahead and sync live. At any time you can come down here, right click this icon and choose preferences, and you can come back to that install screen that we had to only sync certain folders. Also, you can set this so that instead of automatically starting whenever you start your computer, you can uncheck that, and then you can choose when you want to start and stop this. At any time you can stop Google Drive by right clicking and choosing Quit Google Drive, and you see the icon disappear down there as well.